In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to include reference citations with square brackets in Microsoft Word. This is a handy skill, especially for those of you working on reports, academic papers, or any kind of documentation that requires proper citation. Let's dive right in. First up, you'll need to open your Microsoft Word application. Once you have it open, the next thing to do is select the document you're working on. This document is where you'll be including your reference citations, so make sure it's the correct one. If you haven't started your document yet, now is a good time to do so. Once you have your document open, you'll want to navigate to the top of the screen where you'll see various tabs listed such as File, Home, Insert, and so forth. You're going to click on the References tab. This section is specifically designed for tasks like referencing and creating a bibliography, making it the perfect place to manage your citations. With the References tab selected, look for the option that says Insert Citation. This is where you will start adding your sources. Clicking on Insert Citation will bring up a new window with a few different options. But what you're looking for right now is the option to Add New Source. By clicking on this, you're telling Word that you want to introduce a new reference into the document. After clicking on Add New Source, a window will pop up where you'll need to fill out the bibliographic details of the source you're referencing. This will typically include information like the author's name, the title of the work, the year it was published, and the publisher. Taking the time to fill out each field accurately will help ensure your citations are complete and correct. Once you've filled in all the necessary details, go ahead and click OK. Your new source is now saved within Word's Citation Manager. This means you can easily insert it into your document anytime with just a few clicks. Word will automatically format the citation for you in square brackets, which is particularly useful if you're following a style guide that requires this format. Remember, if you need to add more sources, you can repeat this process as many times as needed. This method keeps all your references organized and makes drafting your bibliography a smoother process. By managing your citations this way, you're not just maintaining a well-organized document, but also ensuring all your references are formatted consistently throughout your text. So there you have it. Including reference citations with square brackets in Microsoft Word is really that simple. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this guide helpful. Until next time, happy writing.